If you're struggling to locate the site you're looking for on the Groundsure Searches ordering platform, perhaps the address is a new build and not yet represented in the search results, and you've explored all options, you can hand over to Groundsure. To do this, you hit the Can't Find Your Address link within the search bar on the home page. We'll definitely need you to provide a site plan, and you can upload this in whatever format you have available, simply by dragging and dropping. We'll also need you to provide as much details as possible. Definitely a site address, whatever you have, and there's also a space here for additional information. Then tell us what's the nature of the property, commercial or residential, before heading through to select the product you're after. I'll add a vista to my basket, and once I'm happy, press the Submit Site Plan button. This comes through to the regular checkout page where you've got the option to add an additional delivery email address. We will need a reference for the order, and then hit Submit Request. This will go through to our dedicated support team, who will be in touch shortly. Simple as that.